Hey y'all, so it is Rae and Tone back with another video. Today I'm gonna be making my grad cap. So I'm gonna start with some adhesive pearls. And child, when I tell y'all, bruh, they was not trying to work with me. They were not trying to work with me. Look at this one. This one didn't even stick, so I had to move that one out the way and start with another one. But yeah, all I'm doing right here is just placing it and sticking it down. And here I'm trying to find the right placement for it. I thought it would be a little further down, but then I was like, nah, just move it back up. And now I'm just trying to make it like an even spacing between them, I guess you would say. So I can make sure that they're as precise as possible. So yeah, and that's what I'm gonna do till the end of each of those sides. So it'll be sped up a little bit because I know that can get boring. So I'm done with the bigger pearls, so now I'm just going to add some medium-sized pearls between each big pearl. No rhyme or reason to it, just a medium pearl placed between big pearl. The medium pearls were even harder with these so-called nails I got on. And by the way, please don't mind my nail over there with my ring on. It popped off earlier. Y'all know during this time, you know. So, yeah, I had my little fake nails on, but, you know, I'm making it work with these little medium pearls. So now I'm gonna start putting my words down. And these words came adhesive. As far as I know, they were adhesive. I think I should have like really went back and added hot glue to the pearls and the words just to be like extra safe. I just stuck them down. Some of them wouldn't stick, as you'll see in a couple minutes how they just would. I don't know, I think it was the glitter on the back of them. Once they got on the back of the letters, it was just over with. Now I'm trying to make it look okay. Moving it over because it wasn't going to be enough space for one extra letter on there. they did not want to stick after a while. Pack only gave me 7 eyes, and I literally used all 7 of them. And the phrase did not even need to have 7 eyes. So I think having the hot glue would have really helped them stick down, so I wouldn't have to rely on this so-called adhesive. Tone actually told me to put the S, the first letter and the last letter, and you will have the spacing right, but I was like, that's not gonna work. So I just went ahead and did it like I've been doing. And you see me using this pencil instead of pressing down, because clearly pressing down wasn't working either. So I thought the pencil would help keep the words down a little bit. And yeah, literally, y'all, this was the longest part of the whole grad cap process. The spacing, how you want these words. Because I had planned it out earlier, but it did not work the same way as planning it out on my iPad earlier. So it was just, I made it work though, so. Now we're gonna move on to my stickers. I plan to be a doctor in the future. So what I have is my stethoscope and my doctor's coat. I'm gonna add those under the veil part towards the middle of the cap. Now that is done, I'm going to start doing my flowers. This was my favorite part of the whole thing. So you can see in the corner that I had already started my little placement of where I wanted the flowers and how many flowers I wanted. Yeah, it's just pretty much hot glue. Stick it on the cardstock and go on about your day. I'm pretty much done here. Now you see me going back over. I put a pearl, put some hot glue under a pearl, put some hot glue under the eye, try to make it stay in place, and then I also hot glued my semicolon, and then this is my final product. Just love the quote, God is within her, she will not fail. And that just reflects my faith altogether, because when God is within you, all things are possible at that point. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I really enjoyed making this cap. And if you are going to plan on making a grad cap or want to take some ideas from me, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.